Kyle and Eric from Chaparral Motorsports, and today we have a Quadboss ATV or motorcycle ramp here in front of us. If you use this for a motorcycle, you could actually ride your bike up and use your feet on both sides, or you could stand to one side, walk up one side, and put the bike up on the other. So this folds in half. It folds in half sideways. It doesn't fold in half lengthwise, so the total length is its full working length. So let's get a measurement real quick on that full length. From the top where it attaches the truck all the way down to the bottom, we're looking at a total of 5 foot 11 inches, so almost 6 feet. All right, now total width of the ramp, while it is folded in half, let's get that measurement real quick. We're looking at 21 3/4, almost 22 inches. We're now going to go ahead and open this ramp up and show you its total width. Now, as you're going to notice, we're going to have two different straps here. Those straps are going to allow you to tie this to the truck so it doesn't slip out while you're loading. And we're looking at 3 foot 8 inches for the total working width of this ramp. I'm going to put this ramp down into place. You can see we have some rubber end caps up here. That's going to, number one, protect the truck, and number two, keep it from slipping off of the truck. So if you were setting this up on your truck, you would absolutely undo both of these single hook tie-down straps here. Allow the tie-down hook to go to the bumpy of your truck and then come out and attach to the ramp. That's going to keep the ramp from slipping as you power up it into your truck. Again, if you're actually doing this and loading a vehicle, you'd want to secure both of these straps to your truck. But just for today, so you can see what's going on, this is what it looks like when it's stowed, and that there is what it looks like when it is attached to the truck. This ramp weighs about 20 pounds. It's very lightweight. So now we're going to go ahead and move this over to the four-wheel drive pickup truck that has a little bit of lift on it, so you can see the difference in the angles. Now, as you can see, with this ramp being just less than 6 feet long, this is a very steep angle to get up into a lifted truck. If I were you and I was purchasing a ramp like this, I'd probably go with one that was at least a foot longer than this, so you can minimize the angle that you're going to have to bring your vehicle up in order to get it into the truck. And those are the finer details of this Quadboss ATV or motorcycle ramp, available at chapmoto.com. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw today, please give us a thumbs up. And if you want more action like this coming directly to your inbox, please hit that subscribe button, and more importantly, the notification bell, so you can be part of the notification squad. Until next time, and as always, take care and ride safe out there.